Wakiri Alice Yano niwe uma wa muthia gwikinyia mbere ya kamitii ya kunyabara ruhonge rwa magoti JSC hari andu 10 aria maraikitie ihoya ria kuihuria ithenya ria mucirithania munene bururi-ini. Yano auma na kibarua kirito gucokia ciuria kuma kuri amemba a kamitii ino mahinda kwa mahinda akiamba gutithia mbere ya gucokia ciuria ici.
15 years. If you, yes.
Thengia ya gukorwo ari munini kimiaka akiringithanio na aria angi othe maraikitie ihoya riri. Yano erite kamitii ino ati utaramu wake wa miaka itanyihiire 25 wira-ini wa wakiri ni undu ungiteithiriria utungata wake angithukirwo wigiririkia uyu.
I've been a leader from day one. I told you how by the time I was barely 21 I was a whole headmistress of a secondary school. The university, I was a student leader and leader to the Senate. CKRC, I was the deputy to the finance manager. And
agicokia kiuria kia uria angika kunyihia macira maria makwamite magoti-ini. Yano ni atariirie ati kuhitukira njira ingi cia gutwithania macira nja ya igoti macira maya no manyihe.
Encouraging communities and members of our holistic society to try as much as possible to solve disputes using their own traditional way or customary methods.
Mamwe ma macokio make kuri ciuria cia amemba a kamitii ino ona kuhanora uguo itumurite ndereti hiu nenda-ini cia muingi. Muhiano mwega aririria egucokagia kiuria kia uria angika gutigirira mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni amura acirithania 40 aria maritwa mao maneanitwo ni uria wari mucirithania munene David Maraga.
Sometimes I feel like joking. If we have a lady CJ, like for me, I think I just pick a phone call and call Mama Margaret. Kindly call me for a cup of tea and get me to know the moods of Mzee. Can he get to hear us? And then I come and talk to my members of the commission, we move.
Thutha wa gikaro kia umuthi, muikariri giti wa kamitii ino Olive Mugenda augite kamitii ino ndigukorwo igikinyaniria matua o mothe mano mekwendekithia kuri mutongoria wa bururi gutwika mucirithania munene nginyagia riria igoti rigakinyaniria itua rigimaaine ciira uria uhanditwo igoti-ini ni a Kenya ana makienda kwamba kurugamio kwa Mihang'o ino.
As an institution that is committed to the rule of law, we will wait for the court process to be concluded before we resume and conclude the process in terms of announcing our nominee and also commencing the process of interviewing the judges of the Supreme Court.
Theini wa ciira ucio igoti-ini ingi nirugamitie Mihang'o ya guthurima aria marenda kuihuria giturwa kia mucirithania thiini wa igoti rikaru. Mihang'o iria ibangeirwo kwambiriria muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.